Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com. We're here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so we talked on Friday. The bears got to hold the 9-day, try to close below yesterday's low. Held the 9-day. There's yesterday's low. There's Friday's low. Thursday, Friday, lower low. They got the gap down last night, and they actually ran with it. Took out the daily mid-band. They gapped through it. Took out the 50. Traded down to the monthly pivot and have held there. They held there for about 4 hours, and we're getting a little bit of a bounce now. We'll see if that bounce can exceed the last bounce, which went up to about 66. We shall see. So, good night. Look, we were flat into the weekend. We didn't catch the gap down, but when 3,300 held as resistance, we tried along to see if they wanted to take it up like every other one, but that didn't work. Got out even there, and then when 3,300 started establishing itself as resistance, able to get into a nice short, which got us paid before we went to bed, and then we woke up to the big move down. So, basically the week is over here at Princeton Trader, but we're going to trade for the next 5 days anyway. So as we head into today, I'll be very interested to see on which side of the monthly pivot we close. I'll also be interested to see if and what wants to be resistance up here. This hourly mid-band is going to continue to fall like a rock as we shed this price. And I would expect at some point in the afternoon, unless it really is just a trend down train wreck day, okay, I would expect it to interact with the hourly mid-band at some point. How it reacts to the hourly mid-band is going to be important. So I have no problem trading these bounces from the long side as long as they work. But for now, we're below the daily mid-band. We're below the 9-day. We're below the weekly pivot. Weekly pivot didn't move much from last week. So we are in a sell rallies environment. Can the bears keep it a sell rallies environment? I don't know. I mean, this is a move that that has been coming for a while. We've had this happen before. Here, but as you can see, you get a couple of red candles and then back to business. A couple red candles, back to business. A couple red candles, back to business. Well, here's your couple red candles. Now, this move down did not hold the 50. This is the first time we've been below the 50 since back in October. So a retest of the 50 from underneath, I think, is warranted. That's 73. 73. How it reacts to that is going to be pretty key for me. So we'll see how it goes. All right. Have a great day. More stuff out on social. Come check out the room. Come check out the room. This stuff sells itself. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.